Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. As we have marginal risk tonight, it's gonna be a rather short weather update. It's gonna be covering only tonight, really nothing in the tropics, something to note. And then we have day 1, 2, 3 we have marginal risk, and then day 4 and 5 we have a slight risk. Anyways, let's get right into it. Right now we have a marginal risk across from Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, North Carolina, and then Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and then New York as well. Looking at that, though, we have I need to look over the probabilistic chances. 2% tornado, 5% wind, 5% hail. Looking at day 2, we have just across southern Texas, 2% tornado, 5% wind, 5% hail. Then day 3 across Texas and Louisiana with 5% probabilistic. And then day 4, we have Mississippi, Louisiana under 15%. And then day 5, we have Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas under 15%. Anyways, let's look at surface analysis. Right now, we have temperatures across New Jersey, portions of eastern Pennsylvania. We're seeing temperatures in the 70s across. Also Mississippi. Again, Maryland, we have temperatures actually reached into the 80s widespread across the Northeast, actually, as that's set up for something that'd be going on right now. We have, looking at ML Cape right now, looking at 500 joules per kilogram across the border of Pennsylvania and in New Jersey, as it's going to be right now instability is kind of weak. However, though, still the thunderstorms are possible, as shear technically can make up for it. Right now it's actually down to less than that, in fact less than 500 joules per kilogram at the 0Z update. Looking at bulk shear, though, right now, effective bulk shear right now we're seeing around 55 knots, maybe across New Jersey, and maybe a lot of it's where the strongest shear is actually currently present. But again, this could be, right now we're seeing some showers right now, and maybe a few thunderstorms. Right now we have severe thunderstorm warning actually across Pennsylvania, which is certainly something that I wasn't expecting, really. And looking at effective helicity, we have right now around 300 meters per meter squared per meter squared, second squared, so yeah, might be enough to get some updrafts going, bringing in some damaging winds. That has the biggest potential. And then looking at next thing we'll be going over is 0 to 3 kilometer Elmo Cape, around 125 joules per kilogram. It's now actually down to 100 joules per kilogram at the 0Z update across New Jersey, with 75 actually joules per kilogram across New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and then also maybe portions of northern Delaware, maybe. So apart from that, it's really it for today's weather update. It's going to be pretty short. In fact, maybe later tonight we can get an actual full-length weather update. I'm right now trying to do something. We have to, yeah. Apart from that, it's really, and goodbye.